Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the AICTE ATAL sponsored online FDP on secure and intelligent system on chips. So, this is organized by Department of Electronics, Cochin University of Science and Technology. I invite Dr. Tripti Warrior, Assistant Professor and Co-Coordinator of the DP, to welcome the participants and introduce about the department.
Hello everyone, I hope I'm audible. A very good evening to all of you, all faculty members, participants and guests. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this faculty development program on secure and intelligent systems on chip organized by the Department of Electronics, Cochin University of Science and Technology. So before going to the details of the FDP, I would like to just share give a brief idea about our university and our department. So, Department of Electronics. So, Cochin University of Science and Technology is a public university in Kerala and is known for its strong foundation in science, engineering, and technology. And is supported by high education standards and vibrant research culture. Our department, the Department of Electronics, is actually celebrating its 50th year this year. It has established itself as a center of excellence in various fields of electronics, which includes communication, underwater ocean, antenna design, and is offering postgraduate programs and advanced research activities in our department. So this is just a brief of the programs that are run in Department of Electronics in QuizSat. We have MSc Electronics, MTech Microwave and Communication Engineering, MTech VLSI and Embedded System, and PhD programs in different areas. Those are the faculty members in our department. So basically, we have common labs which are required for these programs, which include circuits lab, VLSI, embedded labs, signal processing labs. Other than that, we have advanced research facilities for microwave and underwater electronics. Research labs include various VLSI fields, embedded fields, and then underwater research, communication, signal processing, antenna, and microwave areas. So this is the brief legacy of our department. And the current work in our department includes the various topics such as neuromorphic computing, hardware accelerators for machine learning and computer vision, then intelligent sensor development for AI, then AI on edge, then processor design. Other than that, we have groups working on robotics and control, underwater electronics, antenna and RF, and 5G communication technologies. So going back to the agenda of our FDP. This FDP is at a crucial time when system-on-chip designs form the backbone of modern electronic systems across various sectors. This increasing complexity and connectivity should ensure security, trust, and intelligence in chips. So this program aims to just give some own insight into these the various challenges in this domain. We are privileged to have experts from academia and industry, and I hope that all the participants will make good use of this opportunity by interacting with the speakers and foster good new ideas and collaborations. Once again, I would like to give a warm welcome to everyone and wish a productive and intellectually rewarding activity. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Tripti. So I now invite Dr. Deepti Das Krishna, Associate Professor and Head of the Department, Cochin University of Science and Department of Electronics, Cochin University of Science and Technology, to address the participants.
Am I audible?
Yes.
So, good evening, one and all. It gives me great pleasure to be here for this opening session of this week-long ATAL FDP organized by our department on secure and intelligent system on chips. So a heartfelt welcome to each and every expert as well as participants who are here with us. So just last week, the world was talking about exciting developments in AI technology, including new accelerator chips, record-breaking transistor counts, and different countries speeding up their semiconductor projects. And we all know that India is also making great progress with its Semicon India initiatives, encouraging indigenous processor design and advanced packaging. So our department has been, Dr. Tripti Warrior has been awarded with the C2S project. And in some way, we are also contributing to the initiatives of the government. So as concerns about data security grow, along with the rise in AI-powered applications and efforts for technological independence, the importance of secure and smart SoC design has never been more significant. So I'm sure this FDP has been curated to give a holistic understanding of this domain, covering both fundamental concepts and cutting-edge research. So we are honored to have with us experts who are pioneers in their respective fields, both nationally and internationally. So, and I'm genuinely happy to see so many enthusiastic faculty and researchers from different institutions joining in. So I encourage everyone to make the most of this platform to share ideas, foster meaningful, lasting academic connections. And before we dive into this FDP program, I would like to sincerely thank the organizing team for their hard work and dedication. So, and a special shout out to our distinguished speakers for accepting our invitation and sharing their knowledge, which adds so much value to this initiative. So I hope that this FDP does more than teach us. So let it spark new research ideas, inspire innovative teaching methods, and develop industry relevant skills. I'm sure all of us are excited, as I am, for a week long full of inspiring learning and memorable experiences. Thank you all. Hope you have a fruitful FDP. Thank you, Nalesh. Over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Deepti. Next, I'll just give you a brief overview of how, what the main objectives behind the FDP. So, when we were planning the FDP itself, we had mainly three objectives in mind. One, to introduce the participants to the current and future trends and the various areas of SoC design, be it computing memory, be it network on chip, the RISC-V developments, RF areas, etc. Then the second aspect is since AI is being dominating the technological domain, is going to be the decisive factor over the next over the future. So we thought introducing introducing intelligence into SoC. So that is another aspect which we wanted to focus on. And the third aspect was security. So the FDP, as I said, it tries to address current trends in semiconductor design by covering advancements in SoC architectures, RISC-V based development, network on chip, FPGA based system processing, prototyping, and modern RF and front end design challenges. And in AI, we have experts talking on deep neural network accelerators, computing in memory architectures, indigenous RISC-V development, and hardware platforms for AI. And finally, we have the security in hardware design. Here, mainly we are focusing on, again, RISC-V ISA and how ISA is adapted for security development. And we also talk about what are the different hardware vulnerabilities and how to address these vulnerabilities. So that the participants get a peek into how to build secure systems from the ground. So this was the overall objective behind the FTP, and the experts were invited based on these aspects. So I hope the FDP exposes the participants, faculty and researchers, to the integrated landscape of semiconductor design and system security. With that, I conclude my introduction to the FTP. A couple of points about mode in which the FTP is run. As I mentioned over the mail, you would have got Zoom invite link. You can you can use only one device at a time. If you want to switch over to another device, you will have to log out from the current device and move to the other device. You are all of you are already registered in Zoom using the mail ID we provided. So you can you would have got the link in that mail ID. Please use that mail. You would have used that link to access it. But if you want to switch, please keep in mind that you will have to switch off or log out from your current device if you want to switch on to another device. Second, the attendance will be taken automatically from Zoom. So you don't, we are not going to share any Google Sheet or Google Form or anything. It will be directly taken from Zoom. So please try to log in with your name. Make sure that your name is added in the list of participants. Then third aspect, as you all know, in order to get the certificate, 80% attendance is necessary. So make sure that you adhere to this requirement. And finally, on the last day, there will be a test, which is again mandatory from ATAL. And 70% is required to pass the test and be eligible for the certificate. Other than that, I have shared a WhatsApp group where if any immediate updates are there, I'll be sharing through the WhatsApp group. The material during the presentation will be shared after the presentation. I'll collect it from the expert and will be sharing with you. That's all about the FTP process. So with that, I think we can conclude this session. We will wait for another 10 minutes, and at 6:30 we will start the first session. Once again, thank you all the participants for being part of this FTP, and I hope you will have a very fruitful time over the next 6 days, and you will carry over whatever learnings here, and you will be able to apply it in your future endeavors. Thank you once again. So we'll wait for the experts to join and start the session exactly at 6:30. If there is any concern from any of the participants, you can probably put it over the chat box so that we can try to act.